Bonjour. Do you feel you don't have time to cook a healthy meal for your family? Do you want to prepare healthy meals but not feel stressed about it? Could you use 3 tricks that would help you to do so? Many professional women like you have career. They raise children, prepare meals, do home chore, go shopping, and take the kids to sports and other activities. Some do get help, while others assume all of it. Many can't seem to find the time to cook, so they go to fast food and processed packaged meal. But deep down, they wish they had time to prepare a healthy meal just for one reason: health. What if you could prepare a healthy meal for 5 days in about 1 hour? Wouldn't that be amazing? Wouldn't you want to know how? Many of my clients do today and even save money on preparing their meal once a week. Hi, I am Marie-Annick, a health and wellness expert for the past 30 years. Early 2000, I launched the Healthy Chef program based on the Mediterranean diet. It was the first program of its kind. And I certify zillions of fitness trainers, chefs, teachers, nurses, nonprofit health group, and homemaker. And the one thing many homemaker love was what I taught them about batch cooking. It was one of the best ways for them to save time and money. Within 1 hour, they were able to cook enough food for a family of four for 5 days. Now, let me give you those 3 tricks. One, you're going to cook for 5 days, 2 whole grain worth for 5 days again, such as quinoa, brown rice, or pasta, all in one shot. You can also prepare 1 legume, such as beans or lentil or garbanzo, again for 5 days. Once you have it all ready, you start cooking them at the same time on those 3 different burners. Once they're cooked, if you use them all during that week, you're good. But if you didn't, freeze some for the next time. You don't have time to cook. So while everything is cooking, now you want to prepare a bunch of your favorite vegetable. That is number 2 trick. Prepare a bunch, and I mean a bunch of vegetable for 5 days. Cut that in similar sizes so they cook evenly. Spread them all over a large oven tray or 2 if needed. And then sprinkle them with a little bit of olive oil, spices, salt, pepper, dry herbs, whatever you feel like. Or mix with a little vinaigrette like sometimes I do. I like that. And then bake them at 425 Fahrenheit for about 45 minutes. You can also, of course, steam or stir fry those vegetables, but remember, it takes a little more time and particularly attention to do so. So if you don't have that, maybe it's best to just throw them in the oven. And then those vegetables can easily accompany a store-bought rotisserie chicken or a steak that you cook at the last minute, or a large fish or fillet or a small little fillets, a bunch of them, that you can broil in 5 minutes under the broiler. Those vegetables can also make a quick soup with the addition of a low sodium organic stock that you have on hand. And then you can add a little chicken again. Et voila, dinner is served. And the 3rd trick is to fill your pantry and refrigerator with items that you use on regular basis and that you keep track on a list. So when you need more next week, you know which one. So for the pantry, I often have olive oil, vinegar, dry herbs, condiment, salt, pepper, canned goods such as tomato, stock, tuna or sardines, And then I always have some nuts and dry fruit for snacks. For the refrigerator, I usually have eggs, some ketchup, mustard, feta, parmesan, some Greek yogurt, cottage cheese, my favorite cheese, and so on. Keep a list. Again, that is what's important. It makes your shopping list much faster and easier to do. I hope this was helpful. And if you feel that you want to learn more tricks or learn specifically for your family need how to work this batch cooking, feel free to get in touch with me at mariannick.com/contact. I will be glad to show you how to do this, and you will never have to stress preparing healthy meals for your family ever again. À la prochaine!